to the journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. And to my subbies and my Loc friends, welcome back. Today's video, I'll be showing how I moisturize my locks with the products I showed in my previous video. You can definitely check that out. I do my moisturizing routine every Friday. I used to do it every other day when I first started off my locks, but I want to spread it out to every Friday. I water it. I wet it and I oil the scalp and just give it some TLC. I have been busy these past weeks, so I have not done that last Friday. So definitely I'll be doing this today to show you guys how I actually do it. What I do is I section off my hair into 4. Nothing perfect. Great, it's ready to begin. In this bottle, I'll be using the witch hazel and the rose water mixed with regular water. So I'll spray each section and then I'll go in with my mixture of oils, almond, jojoba, avocado, and grapeseed oil with castor oil as a base oil. So, and I do have some rosemary in there as well too, so it smells amazing. So let's get into it. is how I do my moisturizing routine with the oils and hydrating products that I have. So I'll just do a little side part. And I will just let this air dry. I do not use a hair dryer for my hair, so I'll just let it air dry. I love when it's looking nice and fluffy. And can you guys see the growth? I'm so excited. I think it's either this Saturday, whenever the 17th is, I'll be making 8 months. So I'm so excited for my Loc'd journey. The days, the months are passing by so quickly, honestly, but I'm loving each and every step of it. As you can see, my frizz is still there and I'm loving it. So thank you so much for hydrating and moisturizing my locks with me. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment. Let me know what oils you use to moisturize your hair, what you use to hydrate your hair. I'll definitely be interested in hearing different opinions and what other persons use. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well and share with all of your friends and everyone you know. So that's it, and I'll see you guys until next time.